Look no more. This boater's dream come true, beautifully updated townhome features a deeded boat dock deep enough for a sailboat with dock maintenance included in the monthly fees. The community has many marinas, tiki bars, and restaurants, or bike to the nationally recognized beach of Fort Desoto State Park. The second floor great room is highlighted by a gorgeous custom fireplace that warms the space on those chilly nights. Let's head to the stunning chef's kitchen, which features stainless steel appliances, granite counters, and spacious cabinets. I love the flexibility of the dining areas, with a mix of refined spaces for special occasions and comfortable spots for casual meals. Downstairs is a bonus room with air conditioning, perfect as a studio or office, while the second bedroom is a private retreat. The master bedroom has caramelized bamboo floors, and you'll feel like you're in a resort in the master bath with a jacuzzi tub. The sparkling pool is a relaxing spot to unwind and relax on the weekends, with plenty of room to gather or entertain. Thanks for taking the tour with me, but really there's so much to love about this home that it really must be seen in person. Call today to schedule your private tour.